Okay, now we're going to use template plane to show you how we're going to shoot a shower wall. We're actually going to shoot this shower wall, that one, and the pan. We're going to indicate the two holes for the water and also for the drain. So we have these locations. Now bear in mind we mocked up this shower stall here. You're going to see a little bit of our camera. We don't have a whole ceiling here, but we used pieces of foam board to indicate where the walls would be, the necessary points of the wall. Okay, first thing we do is we want to go to Draw and Template Plane. Now in Template Plane, as you remember, we hit a point to the left, one to the right, and one up. You want to spread them out as far as you can on that plane. Now, because we have all straight walls, or that's what we're going to do today, I'm going to use auto fillet because everything is straight. I'm going to come up here on the ceiling, hit a point there, one over on the ceiling over here. You like my ceiling. Two on this wall here. Pay no attention to the cove base. Two on the pan, one there, and one over here. Now, because I want the stone to stop on this wall, I put two simple targets there. So I hit those two. And close it up. There is our shower wall. Now, in the case of any shower wall or any enclosure, you have to be mindful of which stone you're going to offset by the thickness of the stone in that corner. But for now, we're going to measure the full space. The offsets can be done later. Now, we're going to do a page 2, which is blank. And every time we do this, when we start a new page, we have to lock the laser in level mode. But then we say we want to draw a template plane, which means we're not in a level mode, we're in another plane. So left, right, and up. Now again, we start with auto fillet. I can hit my 2 points on the ceiling here first. My 1 point on this wall, and I'm going to use the side of the tub for the second point. Then 2 points on the pan. 2 points on that wall. Voila, we hit close, there it is. Now we have these two pipes coming out of the wall. So we're going to switch to cross mode and hit the center of each pipe, very simply like that. Oops. And what you're going to do here is you're going to hit this pipe, and then you're going to go in and we're going to create a circle that's slightly larger than the pipe. So we go into circle mode, and actually we do this in draw mode. Draw a circle. With 1 point, and we're going to say that we want a 2-inch diameter circle, and let's assume the scutcheon will cover that. So now all I do is drop on these two lines, and you'll see when I zoom in on that it's a 2-inch circle on the two lines. Neat, tidy, it's all done. The only thing that's left to do is to offset for either wall or the side wall, whatever you deem necessary. Okay, on the next page, we can do the pan. But we're going to need to move the laser a little bit so we can see the inside of that pan. Okay, now we're going to shoot the shower pan. In the shower pan, because it's level, we don't have to worry about setting the plane because it's a level plane. At least the walls are shooting down to that point. So in this case, we just start with auto fillet. Again, now the camera's not going to be able to see this, but we're going to shoot 2 points on the inside of each 2x4 here, which we're using as a curb. one there, one here, one there, one there, there, go all the way back there. We're going to use the tub here. 2 on the back wall. And 2 on the side wall. And we close that up. Now we need to shoot our drain. It's very simple. It's a 4-inch drain. So I'm going to draw a circle with 1 point and a 4-inch or 2-inch radius. So I merely come over here and shoot the middle of that. Now we've shot the entire pan, this wall and that wall, all with dimensions that are necessary to install this shower, but without the offsets for the corners. That is dependent upon the fabricator to decide which wall is going to be offset and why. And that's how we do planes.